Hi, a few months ago I did a review on EVA Air amenity kits. They were the Erno Laszlo and the Than, if I remember, the Than being a green, the Erno Laszlo being black. Just a bit of background, EVA, or EVA as I call them. EVA Air are a carrier who have a service from Heathrow to Bangkok onto Taipei daily at about 21:35, gets into Bangkok about 0600. We like to fly to Bangkok, we've got friends over there in Thailand, so we go to visit them occasionally. These were given to me by a friend. This is the new, or it's a few months old now, but this is the Premium Economy amenity kit that you get. One's for, I think this one's for the day flight coming back, and this is for the night going out, or vice versa, I'm not exactly sure. Not much different. I think all they've really done, to be honest with you, is basically just changed. They've got the same stuff inside, but they've changed the supplier. You got your DVT flight socks. Okay, pair of earplugs. If you watched my last video, you'll know that the earplugs and the eye shades you can get out of the toilets in the economy, or even now in the premium economy section, so I'm told, which are better than these. These aren't the world's most comfortable. That's a bit rough on the inside of the eye, and these aren't really super comfy. The ones that you get from the toilets are. You also get toothbrushes in the toilets, as I said before. You get a little leaflet promoting the stuff you get inside. You get another little leaflet, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, that's upside down, you dafty. This again is it's a discount thing, card, or just an explanation of the stuff you get in. Comb, okay, it's a comb. What else we got? Toothbrush. Okay, like I say, the ones you get out of the toilets they're in a green packet, and they're very soft bristled actually, and they're ideal because there's quite a few in there. Just grab a couple or three that you can use in an emergency. What have we got here? We've got White Glow toothpaste. Never tried it, don't intend to. And here, this is the LB, what they're talking about here. Lip balm. Lip balm. I mean, how big have your lips got to be to use all that, huh? Ah, crumbs. I'm sure it's good stuff. Apparently the lips are the first place to feel the effects of a dry atmosphere. There you go. And this is the hydrator. It's a skin hydrator for your face and your arms and your hands. Okay. Just a moisturizer, in other words. You know. And lastly, the bag. I do like these bags. They're handy little Dobie bags. You know, you can put your shaving gear in them. Waterproof on the inside. Okay, nice chrome zip. Nice size. Stick a couple of razors and your shaving gear in there. They're right. They're handy. You know, chuck it. I've got one of these, the Than ones, I think, which I use at work. I just chuck it in my backpack and then, you know, use it if I need a shower at work, and that I've got my soap and all my stuff. So there you go. That's your Sport B, I think, is it called? Sport B. Scaramouche and Fandango, according to this. That's the contents of the Sport B packet. Alright. And yeah, just basically the same as any other, really, as the Than, but with a different livery and a different kind of, you know, all the same material basically. So the flight socks are good. The flight socks are comfy. They're not proper DVT socks. They're just sort of, they sort of stretch up to your calf muscles, but they don't clamp your calf muscles in like DVT socks do. So I'll just stuff all this stuff back in here, and we'll move on to the next one, which is the Furla. Again, standard, same sort of thing. Okay, this is actually not bad. This is better, certainly better than the one in the Sport. It's nice and smooth there, and it's got a good elastic strap with a Velcro at the back here. Okay, that is good. I'd say that's as good, if not better, than the ones that they. Well, it's probably better than the ones they give in economy. That's nice. I like that. What we got? Oh, we got flight socks again, but these ones are grey. Yeah. Okay. Little Furla packet. give them the information on it. This is the one with the voucher, I think, is it? Or not? It might be the other one. EVA Air, in collaboration with Furla, is pleased to offer you these personal care products for the flight. Boom. Lip balm. Bayot lip balm. Okay, that's what lip balm should look like. Something you can chuck in your pocket or in your case and use afterwards. Not a squeezy thingy. Earplugs. I don't know why they don't just use... There's a company called EVA, oddly enough, who make earplugs, which are foam earplugs like these, but much better. And they're dirt cheap. They're a world leader. We use them at work all the time. Toothbrush and toothpaste enclosed in the plastic. Mirror dent. Bristles feel hardish, actually, quite sort of firm. It's not a bad quality toothbrush. It certainly... yeah, feels better. I mean, I'm not an expert on toothbrushes, but it does feel better than the ones you get in economy and in the EVA packets. Comb. Yeah, comb. Do you know you don't see people using combs anymore, men, really, do you? They just sort of ruffle their hair and just... I do. I don't even use a comb. I might use a hairbrush if I washed it, but I just sort of ruffle it and let it lie. And this is body lotion, moisturizer, same sort of thing, you know. And you've got your Adobe bag as well, with your EVA Air doobie in there. Yeah, so that's it. That's pretty much your amenity kits. Both the same, essentially, with different branding on them. EVA, the service has improved over the past few months. I've been watching them on Flight Radar and keeping a track of their performance. They did go through a patch when they were consistently late into and out of Heathrow, which can be a pain. We, of course, everybody knows they had the massive strike, which made international news and didn't do them a lot of good. But they seem to have upped their game a bit. So, yeah, not a bad carrier out of the UK, direct to Thailand. You've got that, the choice of the Thai flights, which are twice daily, or the choice of the BA 009, which leaves at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. But I don't think BA are very good. So there you go. There's the 2 amenity kits. There's your Furla. And there's your Sport. Okay. Pretty much exactly the same, save for the branding. Yeah. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to know anything about the EVA service from London to Bangkok, give us a shout, put a comment in, give us a like. I've got a couple of videos of the takeoffs and the landing and the cruising over Europe. It's not a bad service. But yeah. Give us a comment, give us a like, subscribe, you don't have to. Anything you want to see, let me know. Big shout out to all my subscribers, Sam I am, Carl Cadona, you guys, you all know who you are, you know where you are. And take care, till the next one.